Okay, here we go. Finally, the day of the start of EuroVelo 1 has arrived. A little later than I wanted to, but never mind, I've got the time. So, it's February, end of February, and today I start riding the EuroVelo 1 from Valença in Portugal. Behind me, I don't know if you can see, the sun is hitting my eyes, but behind me is the old railway bridge between Portugal and Spain. It's built many years ago. There's a new bridge now, of course, a motorway bridge. In front of me, if I turn the camera like this, in front of me is the fortress of Valença, Fortaleza, which withstood the Spanish invasions for centuries. But they're all friends now. So, here we go. Today we start riding the EuroVelo 1. Come with me. Take care.